Welcome to the Introduction to HelpSmart webcast. Today I'll be giving you an overview of Risetime's new SharePoint help desk system, HelpSmart. So what are the advantages to HelpSmart? It integrates seamlessly with your SharePoint portal and can actually be deployed as a SharePoint solution definition. This gives you the flexibility to make the help desk available company-wide or quickly set up individual help desks for the specific departments. Also, since it is integrated with your existing portal, you can leverage your SharePoint security groups and integrate with Active Directory. The system also includes dashboard and reporting functionality that you can expand or customize in the future. Interfaces can be fully branded and customized like the rest of your portal. The solution delivers email notifications and reminders. It also supports complex or multi-step support requests, which I'll just demonstrate a little later. And finally, if you have an existing help desk system that you're retiring but would like to still reference, HelpSmart can be configured to search and archive data. We'll start the demo off by showing you HelpSmart's My Manager dashboard. The left side is all the navigation for HelpSmart. Also, you'll notice we are inside Risetime's corporate portal. So HelpSmart has been installed as part of this site collection. So I have access to all of our portal navigation on the top row here, as well as the search. HelpSmart is designed as a solution definition. So one of the advantages of it being a solution definition is you can install it as a company-wide help desk, or if it makes sense, you can go ahead and put it in an individual department or team site. So I've already actually installed this for this demo. So now I'm back at the My Manager dashboard screen, and I'm just going to go through the different functionality on the left side. After that, I'll go ahead and log into some different types of users so you can see the security trimming for SharePoint working with HelpSmart. So I'm going to start off with the creating a new service request functionality. This was available for all employees who have access to SharePoint and the help desk. So I'm going to go ahead and put a new service request in. I'll include a description. And hit submit. So you'll notice I received a confirmation. I have a service request number, just a little summary of the problem. Next is the service dashboard. So this shows all the requests that I've sent in, and as the staff, help desk staff responds to them, they'll show up in closed. I'm going to go ahead and go into the next section. It's for the help desk technicians. So in this case, it's designed to take some of this information over the phone, or if they receive an email, or maybe just verbally from one of the employees. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Active Directory to find my information. And you'll notice there's some more options for information that you can add to the service request. Including the category, a subcategory, and who we can assign it to. So I'm going to pick from, these are just examples of users. And I'll hit save. So again, the same confirmation screen. And an email's popped up. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into my technician dashboard so it kind of shows a summary of all the different service requests and what status they're in. So the one I just put in is now showing up here, and the information is attached. So the next section is My Manager Dashboard, which you saw before. And this is basically to track workload and look for any problems or things that a manager might need to address. So you'll see that it's basically summarizing overdue incidents instead of all the incidents. And going into, you can just see some more information about the item. So another piece of functionality that's offered for the managers is the ability to add new categories or add subcategories under a category. So to add a new category for a service request, you would just use this screen. And I'm going to go ahead and add another subcategory under the SharePoint category. And now moving down, you also see all the service requests. All the information is there. And also we put service requests into different categories. So we have incidents, which allows more information to be added. So a new work order can be added to an incident. We have change requests. And then a subset of these are the work orders. So I'll go ahead and find the monitor request. Just came in. I change this to a change request and save it. Now I have the ability to add a work order to it. And I'm going to go ahead and assign it to another technician. So this allows multiple work orders to be added to one request. So if there was a multi-step project, the task could be delegated out to several different technicians and then tracked through this system. So the following are just all the work orders, including the status and some more information. Next is the search screen. Also, HelpSmart can be extended to search legacy databases. So if you're migrating from an existing help desk system, you could actually search that and have the results pulled up either along with the HelpSmart request or as a second link here. And finally, there's some simple reporting functionality. This was designed to track workload by the different technicians. So in the case of a real working help desk, there would be incidents and work orders being resolved. So this could be used to monitor workload on the different help desk technicians. And finally, I will demonstrate how HelpSmart uses SharePoint security trimming to limit the functionality available for each of the security roles. So currently I'm logged in as a help desk manager, and you'll notice the help desk technician, help desk manager, dashboards, search, and reporting are all available on the left side navigation. I'll go ahead and sign in as a different user. And this time I'll sign in as a technician. And you'll notice the manager functionality has been removed on the left side. And finally, I'm logged in as just a user role, which limits functionality down to creating a new service request and seeing the dashboard of requests that you've filled in. That concludes the demonstration portion of the HelpSmart webcast.